everyone, Aaron Clements here from the CNC Auto Show with your car care tip of the day. When it comes to tires, are you a penny person or a quarter person? Some experts recommend replacing tires when the tread depth is at or below 2/32. For this reading, insert a penny between the lowest area of the tires with Lincoln's head pointing into the tread, and if you can see the top of Abraham Lincoln's head, you are at or below 2/32. Most experts now recommend tire replacement at 4/32. This provides better protection from hydroplaning, and it also shortens the stopping distance. You can check this by placing a quarter in the lowest part of the tread with George Washington's head facing into the tread. And if you can see the top of George Washington's head, then you are at or below 4/32. I picture it like this. Washington's head will tell you when you need to start thinking about replacing your tires, and Lincoln's head will tell you when you are at the legal limit. So for just 26 cents, you can decide when to retire. Oh, that's a bad joke, but it's a great tip from the CNC Auto Show.